Makhumalo was the only wife who benefited more with fame more than other Musamseleku's wives. Makhumalo joined Housewives of Durban, Ozemshado, that program with Macele, Izingane Zestembu. Makhumalo have got shares on Izingane Zestembu. Other companies are hiring here. So Musamseleku doesn't like it because Makhumalo doesn't have a child, and she is gaining more than other wives because of her intelligence. Musamseleku's wives, Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Macele, they are very relaxed. Musamseleku opened the program of Utando Nestembu to benefit the whole family, his wives, 4 of them. But Makhumalo was very active more than other wives. Makhumalo took advantage of her famous and have got a chance to join Housewives of Durban. Musamseleku have got his own programs that Munakwetu Kaba. Musamseleku want to have extra money than to share with his wives. He knows that Utando Nestembu, he opened the whole family. That program is the family program. So Makhumalo, she was trying to have extra money on Housewives of Durban or Zemshado or Izingane Zestembu. Makhumalo have got many shares, and now she have got shares on Modo company. Modo is paying her. Makhumalo is advertising many companies. That's why Musamseleku says now Makhumalo, she thinks that she have got money because Makhumalo is managing family business. What? No. Other wives, it's not about Musamseleku doesn't say they can't do it. Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe, they are very relaxed when it becomes to businesses because Makhumalo opened her 2 eyes and saw that in that business, Utando Nestembu, because she was already famous, and she took that opportunity to join Housewives of Durban. And other wives, they don't want to join because that crowd was other, they are single ladies, what they have got a lot of drama with Ayanda Ncwane, with Nonku and Lacoco. So there is a lot on Housewives of Durban. So Musamseleku maybe told Makhumalo to quit because Makhumalo didn't finish that Housewives of Durban. But she gained a lot of money. They opened Ozomshado, and now Izingane Zestembu. I don't know on Izingane Zestembu Makhumalo, she still have shares because now she have got mine. I don't understand because Musamseleku doesn't allow Makhumalo now to have shares on Izingane Zestembu because they don't understand each other what, and they open the show together. That's why Izingane Zestembu is delaying. We don't know what's going on between Makhumalo and Musamseleku because they are the people who start that program. They plan together. Macele, she was very relaxed, Macele, but now maybe Abongwe, she is standing for her mother's share because Abongwe is working with Musamseleku. So maybe that's the why Abongwe, she joined that program because Abongwe now she can produce, editing, everything. Abongwe is a graduate of those films, what. You know that sometimes we have to take advantage, especially when you know that you have got a chance to be famous. Other companies, you can advertise that those companies. We didn't so Mayeni advertising many companies like Makhumalo because Makhumalo took a chance. Other wives, they don't want to advertise, especially Macele. Macele, she is very relaxed. Maybe Macele was waiting for Musamseleku to give her money every time. You understand? Musamseleku tried to open the program for Macele because to work with Makhumalo or Zemshado on SABC 1. Musamseleku was trying that Macele can have her extra money because Ozemshado was playing on Sunday. They can't, maybe she can took 1 hour. You understand? But Macele refused to have that program. Even other companies to advertise. You know that Macele have to open her eyes, and you have got chances like Makhumalo. You understand? Makhumalo benefit a lot on famous than other wives because she took that fame and changed her life because she can't wait for the money of Utando Nestembu only that shares. So she have got join other programs to have extra money for herself.